Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the UPSC Prelims previous year economic question. Okay. So in this session, we are purely going to focus on how to approach the upcoming prelims exam. Okay, and also how to solve the questions in more easier way. How to find the key within the question. Okay, how to eliminate any statements and go for an answer. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. If a commodity is provided free to the public by the government, then so every statement is speaking about the opportunity cost. So what is this opportunity cost? Okay, so that thing you have to opportunity cost, which means consider that I am having 100 rupees. Okay, with that 100 rupees, either I can buy a junk food or else I can buy a fruits. Okay, so if I am going to buy the junk food means I am going to lose something. What is beneficial from that food? Okay, if I am going to buy that food means I will get certain health benefits. Okay, now I am going to lose it. Okay, so that is called as opportunity cost. Okay, put it in another way. Okay, if I am going to buy that fruits only, okay, then I am going to lose some happiness from that junk food. Okay, so that is called as opportunity cost. So it is all about something you are choosing. Okay, by that you are losing something else. Okay, that is called as opportunity cost. Okay, again I give certain other example. Okay, consider the person who completed a 12th. Okay, he completed the 12th exam. Okay, and he scored around considered 199 cutoff for medicine. Okay, he having a cutoff of 199. Okay, and for engineering he having a cutoff of 198. Okay, consider that now the person is going for a medicine. Okay, after 10 years, okay, he is going to earn 10 lakh per year means, okay, consider that his friend is going for a engineering opportunity and he is doing certain IT sector. Okay, he is getting into the IT sector. After the certain time period, there is a huge boom in the IT sector. Okay, so his friend is earning around 25 lakh per year. Okay, then this person is actually losing 15 lakh. Okay, that is called as opportunity cost because he had an option for either go for a medicine or else for engineering, but he made a choice of choosing the medicine. By that, he is going to lose the 15 lakhs per annum earning. Okay, so this is called as opportunity cost. So it is all about your choice that is making something you are going to lose. Okay, so that is all about the opportunity cost. See, the opportunity cost is basically the idea that whenever you choose something, you will give up something else. Okay, it is like when you are at a store with limited money. If you are buy that cool new video game, you won't be able to buy that new book you also wanted. Okay, so that is called as opportunity cost. Okay, now we are going to the question. See, if a commodity is provided free to the public by the government, then the opportunity cost is zero. See, first statement. Okay, so think about this first statement. So government is providing around 1000 rupees. Okay, or else it is providing a rice to the PDA shop for a free. Okay, so 0 rupees. Okay, in that sense. Okay, now I am going to spend around for a rice. Okay, if I am going to spend per year per month is around 500 rupees means now I have that 500 rupees because the government is giving it to me. Okay, so there is nothing going to happen about my opportunity cost. Okay, so I am going to have this 500 rupees. Okay, now with this 500 rupees I may do any choices. So in that sense, there is no zero opportunity. Okay, so there is certain opportunity for me 500 rupees. Okay, why that first statement is actually wrong. Opportunity cost is ignored. That is totally irrelevant. Okay? The opportunity cost is transferred from the consumer, okay, consumers of the product to the tax-paying public. See, next statement: opportunity cost is transferred from the consumers of the product to the government. So the answer is actually C. The reason is, consider that I am paying a tax of 1 lakh. Okay. Now, if I am having that 1 lakh means, then I have certain opportunity to buy any products. Okay. But I am paying this 1 lakh as a tax money to the government, and that tax money is going to the people as a free aid. Okay. Free of product is given by the government. Okay. So that is actually came from my tax money. Okay, so here the opportunity cost is beared by me. Okay, that is the statement C is saying. The opportunity cost is transferred from the consumer of the product to the tax-paying public. Okay, so the answer is C, which is more apt for this statement. Okay, see, it is purely about a logical question. Okay, certain times this kinds of questions also they may ask. Okay, but for that, if you have any certain knowledge about the statements, okay, about the terms means you can easily find the answer. So what is that opportunity cost? If you have the knowledge about what is the opportunity cost means, you can easily find the answer. Without knowing that, don't even touch these questions. Okay, don't even go for any quizzes because it is totally tough to answer these kinds of questions, because the even by see the pattern wise also this question is much more tough. Okay, so in that sense, if you know about what is opportunity cost means, then you will try for answering these kinds of questions. Without knowing the relevance of that term means, you don't even touch that these kinds of questions. Okay, so here the answer is the opportunity cost is transferred from the consumer of the product to the tax-paying public. Okay, so I am going to pay. Okay, that I am going to pay taxes. Okay, but the tax money is routed to the public as a free. So now the opportunity cost is beared by me. Okay, so that is called the statement 3 is actually speaking. So the answer is C. Okay, thank you.